So me and Nell want to cook crabs. These are the cheapest crabs in Delaware, I swear to God. But they're still alive, and he's already. Ooh. See, and they really, yeah, no. I'm already scared. Say hi, vlog. But yeah, we're gonna cook us some crabs today. See you back at the house. Y'all hear that? Oh heck. They in there gurgling. Oh no. I think I made a mistake. Oh my God. Yeah, Nell need to hurry up, cause yeah. Oh well, Nell's here. Time to kill the crabs.
Mr. Krabs. Hi, Mr. Krabs.
Mr. Krabs.
Mr. Krabs was fun. Now.
Go ahead, Maya. Drop it in the. And now, if you was gonna be that scared now, oh, stuff is boiling. It's getting ready.
It's getting hot in here.
So take off all your clothes. Time has come.
Dun dun dun. What with this big bag for?
I gotta protect myself at all costs.
Oh my God. I should have bought gloves in here.
I have some.
No.
Wait, what kind? Why do you need gloves?
And they pinch.
Oh!
What if I get pinched?
You got to get the thing.
Get
Why I gotta
gloves.
open it?
I'm gonna cut the box.
Oh,
Right.
God.
Do you want gloves? Do you want gloves?
No.
You better move your darn cup. Why you got
I got scared.
things right? Girl, why you being so scared?
Baby steps. Shoot.
Oh my Lord, let me not put my head down.
Woo!
Cut the rest of the Lord.
Turn the box around, man.
Oh my God.
Oh, oh shit.
That's scary.
Oh my God.
You scary.
Wakey, wakey.
Don't.
Time to cookie.
Don't. You have to steam them. You're not boiling them. Oh shoot.
Oh God. Oh God.
Hey. Oh shoot.
Oh no, this thing might break. See,
Yes.
bitch.
What if it
I'm
jump?
not.
What if they jumped out, yo? I swear to God. Grab the first one.
I'm not. Why you? We alternating, bitch. 'Cause you ain't gonna have me up here grabbing them by my darn self.
Grab one now.
Your turn.
Woo!
Your turn.
Woo!
Here.
Woo!
Here.
Woo!
Give me this.
Woo!
Alright. Here we go.
Let's go.
Yeah. Get.
Yeah, who that?
Yeah. Slow down.
I'm on the road, yo.
If one fall,
I swear to God. I swear to God.
you going too fast.
Oh,
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yo, she gonna lose one watch. You grabbing too many at a time. Look at that bitch at each other. What, Brianna? They gonna fall, bitch.
Get off! Ooh, yeah, 2 for the price. There you go.
Oh my God.
Yay! Yeah, he ain't gonna put much of a fight up. They ain't gonna fit in there, I don't think.
Oh.
Ooh. Get it! Get it! Get it!
All holding on for dear life.
Get it!
Appreciate it.
Oh shit!
But,
Yeah, get in there.
why you?
Get him! Oh look, they trying to pinch. Oh! Oh! You done broke the darn arm off the thing. Oh my God! Oh shoot! Let me back up. You done breaking their limbs off.
ain't my fault they holding on to each other like that.
They about to get pissed off. Look.
Alright, because
what happened?
Because
Let
they
me
start
see.
piling up there trying to come out, you know.
They alright. They alright. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Good job, everybody.
Yeah, game time. Yeah.
And I see you steady backing up.
No, I'm scared.
Oh my god, why y'all hold on to each other like dang?
That one's a little hairy, ain't it? Oh,
It really
shoot.
is. Cause it was the freaking thing. Oh,
What? Ew, that one looks ugly.
yeah,
Look at that.
Put it in the pot.
Look
Like
at
that.
it. Ew.
No, I'm not doing
Who
it.
your daddy, son? Oh, hell.
Yo!
You might as well just pick them both up.
See, y'all was good when y'all was still.
That one's got,
What?
Ah! That one, look at it. That one's ready. We can't do this shit. That one's ready for your ass. Look at him. Oh, that's the one with the missing arm. Oh, get it. Yeah.
Hey, yo.
Woo, fuck.
That thing about to attack. He back up like, yeah.
Oh! No.
Square up.
No kidding.
Yeah, ho. What's up? What's up with it? What's up with it? Yeah.
Now it's gonna bite you.
Yeah.
Get your behind in the pot. Yeah, open it up. You thought, oh, there's two more in here, Lord.
Hula.
You thought you was run away, but
Oh wait, we gotta get all the little leggies and the stuff that you done pinched off. So the shrimp are done. The crabs are done.
that's you.
And we about to eat.
Yeah.
Woo. Yeah. Gang, gang. Okay.
So as we can see, I'm in the bonnet. It's time to eat. Oh.
Time to eat.
As Amaya says, it's time to eat. Thank you guys for liking.
Watching, sharing, and subscribing. We love you.
God loves you.
Always.